Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by working on a duplicate file so you never lose the original. Open the image in a layer-aware editor, then enable a non-destructive workflow with a new layer or layer mask. Next, zoom into the drawn area to view stroke edges and set a small soft brush with low opacity for sample-based tools. Once done, sample nearby clean pixels with the clone stamp or healing brush. Make short, controlled strokes to rebuild texture and tone. Once the rough removal is in place, refine by selecting the affected region accurately with a lasso or pen tool. This confines edits and preserves surrounding detail. Apply content-aware fill or the patch tool to generate a first-pass background fill that matches color and pattern. Make sure to toggle source sampling modes and rotate the clone source as needed. Then, with low-opacity healing or clone, blend seams and recreate fine texture. Alternate tools to handle complex edges and repeated patterns for a natural finish. To finish, inspect the result at multiple zoom levels and fix any residual mismatches with frequency separation. Work on low frequency for color and high frequency for texture, or use subtle dodge and burn to even tone. Merge visible layers into a new file for export, but save the layered source in case you must revisit edits. Make sure to export in the correct format and resolution for your use. If something looks off, try smaller clone samples, different blending modes, or redo the step with a fresh selection. That usually resolves artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.